Once again, here we are the day before Christmas Eve, and the GE signal dryer is broken again. So you have to take the dryer apart. You remove the top by taking the first two screws out of these holes here, and then slide that over out of the notches. Pull that off. Pull your front off. Push it over to the side, and in my particular case, I think this wire was off. That little connector right there broke, so I put a new one on. Luckily I had one that was just the right size. And the other thing is this cheap little element in the back here, it always cracks and breaks. So there's a break right across there. So this board is two pieces, and what you got to do is take some regular fiberglass building insulation and shove it behind the board there to give that a little bit of tension to hold that board together. I don't think any of the elements are broken. I think what happened is this contact came off, and I noticed that had moved apart again because we had the problem before. There was a connector we had to redo or something. So hopefully this is going to fix it. We'll see. Oh yeah, and to put this thing back together, you gotta, if you can hook your wheel into there and very carefully slide the drum in without knocking that off of there, you can get that together and then go in and push the wheel back, putting the tension on the belt, and you should be okay. So once you get the drum wrestled back in there and the belt on it, you gotta put these in. Make sure you tighten that up a little bit. You're gonna have to get in there and tighten that one, tighten that one over there. Yeah, that one's already tight. I'm thinking we probably don't even need the lid. It'd make it easier to spray some dry lube in there when it starts squeaking. But, well, if you want to set anything on top of there, I suppose. And then you put the last two screws up in there, or the first two screws. First two screws you took out, last two you put back in. There you go. Let's see if it works. All right, we plug her back in. Hey, the light works. That's good. Let's hit the start button. Ooh, goes around. Hey, it doesn't make any noise. Ooh, I smell fire. Or heat. Oh yeah, she's working. Well, that's the best Christmas present of all. I didn't have to get a new dryer.